Assalamualaikum and a lovely morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are doing great and enjoying the day with lots and lots of energy. So we are doing even and odd. Remember, yes, we did the activity as well yesterday, and we are going to do a little more activity today so that we will get to know the concept of odd and even a little more, and we will learn about we learn the difference in odd and even numbers, right? So let's see what we're going to do today. So today we are going to do one more activity on which we will see that what is the difference in odd and even numbers and how we can know that this is an odd number or the even number. So I have like these square shape cutouts on which I'm going to write the numbers, and then for the activity I have these colorful pegs with me, right? I'm going to just show you. I have these colorful tags with me, right? Okay, I'll just show you properly, right? These are the pegs which I'll be using for this activity. See, these are all the colorful pegs. We'll be using like different color pegs. So what we're going to do first is that we are going to write the number on this paper, and then we will make the pairs of pegs. So we'll see that maybe we will be able to make the pairs or not, right? Okay, now let's see, we're going to write the number. Okay, now which number we should start writing with? I think number 6. Okay, so I'm going to write number 6. Okay, right. Now we have number 6, right? So we have number 6, and now we will start putting the pegs and making the pairs. Okay, now let's see. Now we'll start counting. This got stuck. Okay, 1. We can make the pairs of the same color as well. If you can find, I hope, yes, maybe I will be able to find all the colors. So let's see if you'll be able to make up with the colors first. Okay, now this is 1. Okay, here. 1, 2. Now this is one pair, right? 2 friends. Okay, then we have 3, and we have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one more pair we have to make. 5 and 6. See, we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Rest. Now this says number 6. Now if you got number 6, number 6 have one pair, 2 friends, second pair, and the third pair. There's nothing left alone over here, right? So that means number 6 is an even number. Yes, number 6 is an even number because they have got like friends and they can share equally. If we have 6, we can share that equally with all these, right? The friends can share with each other, right? Nobody will be left. Okay, so this was number 6. Now let's see, we're going to write another number. Now the second number we're going to write is, let's see what we're going to write. 4? No, we are going to write 3. Okay, let's write number 3. Oh, My marker is fading. Okay, number 3. We have number 3. So what we're going to do is we are going to make the pairs. Now let's see. We have to make the pairs for this number. My God. We need to open up the pegs. It's a little hard. 1. See, this has friend. We're going to have friends for that. Let's take another one. Okay. 1, 2, and this says 3. Oh, now look at this. This has got friend. 1, 2. Oh, this does not have a friend. Oh, now the 3. What does this say? It says that 3 is an odd number. Yes, 3 is an odd number. So here he has got a friend and this is left alone. He does not have a friend. So the number who has a left alone friend, who does not have a pair of friend, is an odd number. Yes, that's great. Okay, now we have done number 6 and we have done number 3, and now we are going to do number, now tell me, number 8. Okay, and you're going to do number 8. Number 8. Okay, so we have written down number 8 over here. We've got number 8. Okay, so now let's see. We'll start putting the pegs. 1, 2. Okay, then we have got 3. Oops, it's not opening up. We've got 3, then 4, 5, 6. Okay, now 7 and 8. Okay, now have a look at this. Now we have number 8 over here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pegs. Now have a look at this carefully. Yes. Do they all make pair? Do they all have friend, or is there anybody left alone? If you look at this, like this, or like this, what do you think? They all have friends. Now red have a friend, the green have a friend, the white has a friend, and the yellow. They all have a friend. So they are all even numbers. They are equally divided. They're all even numbers, right? So 8 is an even number. Yes, that's great. 8 is an even number. Lovely. Okay, now we are going to do another number. I hope you like the activity. My pegs are a little stuck. I don't know what happened to them. And okay, so now we are going to do number 9. Okay, let's do number 9. Okay, we're going to do number 9 this time. Okay, so we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now we have 9. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's see. This green, the sea green has friend. Yes, there are friends. Purple has friend. Okay, now red has friend, and the green has also friend. Now, is there any left alone without a friend? Yes, the pink one. The pink one is without a friend. And this is all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the ninth one is left alone. He does not have a friend. So what do you think? Number 9 is odd number or even number? Yes, that is an odd number. That is great. 9 is an odd number because this one is left alone over here, right? That's great. That's lovely. Okay. Now, I hope you got the concept. You're getting the concept clearly, right? So we are going by colors, so you can see which colors gets left alone. Okay, now this time we are going to do number, I think we should do number 7, right? Okay, let's do number 7. Number 7. Okay, we have number 7. Okay, now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look at it carefully. Who does not have a friend? 7. Yes, the 7th one does not have a friend. They all have friends, but this does not have a friend. So 7 is an odd number. Yes, that's great. 7 is an odd number because this orange does not have a friend. That is great. So you got the concept clearly. That's lovely. So we did it. Okay, number 7. Now what we're going to do is let's do number 1. Okay? Yeah. Number 1. Let's do number 1. Okay, now we are going to put 1. This is number 1. Now, what do you think? Yes, yeah. Yes, number 1 is odd number because this does not have any friend, right? So this is an odd number. That is great. Now, what we're going to, we have done number 6, we have done number 3 and 8 and 9 and 7 and 1. Okay, now let's do number 4, right? Okay, yeah, now we're going to do number 4. Okay, now let's see. Now we have number 4 over here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Now look at this carefully and tell me that what do you think is number 4? Does he have like friends and friends, couple, right? They have a pair, they have a pair. So 4 is an, yes, 4 is an even number. That is super great. 4 is an even number. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, we'll do one more. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one should we do now? Number 10? Okay, now let's see. Let's see if you can do number 10. So we're going to write number 10. Right. Okay, now we're going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's take it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, we have 10. So I'm using the same colors, so that will be easy for you to see whether they can make pairs or not, right? So these two, yes, these two, yes, these two, yes, these two, yes, and yes. Is there any left alone? No, there isn't any. So that means number 10 is an even number. Yes. Number 10 is an even number. That is great. So you did a fantastic job. Lovely, excellent. And now you know that which one is the odd number and which one is the even number. That's super great. So this was it for today's class. And I think we need to see video. Let's see if I'm missing out that. Let me see that. So at the end, if I can show you something. So you have to wait for little seconds. That's not a problem. So, but I don't think so. So this was for, yeah. So this was it. So this was our class for today, the numeracy. So we did odd and even numbers in which, and now we are going to, I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. So till we see each other soon, inshallah, I'm going to say goodbye to you, and Allah Hafiz.